Yo, 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 what's up guys? Chris Tisdale with Cointable. Thanks for joining me. Here we go. First coin, 1964 Kennedy. Next coin, we've got a 1966 accent here, proof 66. Then we have a 1966 SMS, came back MS67 Cameo. Here we've got a 1967 that graded MS66 Star Cam. Cool. Another 1967, came back MS67 Cameo. Looking right so far. Here we have a Type 1, which by the way, if any of you guys have any Type 1s, hit me up. I need them. This one here graded proof 68, 1961 in proof 68 Cameo. So this is a 1963 that graded 68 Ultra Cameo. This coin right here is literally the only coin that I have ever cracked out of a 68 deep cameo holder. I'm gonna crack it out again because it's a 69 deep cam. The first time I've ever done that, but you know, you know. Here we have a 1961 proof quarter in 68 Cameo. Love it. Here's a 63 quarter that graded 68 Ultra Cam. Here's a 1955 nickel, 68 Cameo. Something about this proof coinage, guys. I've been on it lately. I love it. It's nice. 1958 proof cent in 68 red cam. When I sent this, I actually thought I had a chance at deep cam. I'm gonna have to check that again in my office space where I grade. I have one designated area to grade coins. That's what I would recommend for anyone out there who's grading coins, is do it in the same place every time with the same exact lighting setup so that you can create your own level of consistency. Here we have a 1963 nickel, proof 68 cam, beautiful coin. Last but not least, we have a 1958 dime in 68 Cameo. That, my friends, is it. Before I let you go, for those of you guys that are grading coins and looking at coins consistently, make sure of a couple of things. Number one, I personally like to use an incandescent light bulb. I use a clear bulb because I'm looking at a lot of proofs. If you're looking at mostly business strikes, then a soft white is probably going to be a little bit better. Clear bulb, it almost makes business strikes look worse than they really are. The key factor when you're grading coins consistently is no matter what kind of light you're using, make that the only light source. In other words, let's say you have an office with windows, which that would be nice. I don't have that problem in this office, but it's temporary, so we're all good. But if you did have an office with a window or a door that is open and lets other light in, you're gonna be better off and you're gonna be a more consistent coin grader if you have one source of light. So what I personally do, shut the doors to my office, turn off all the lights, and then I turn on my grading lamp, and that's how I grade coins. That's how I grade all my coins. And that's how I determine what I'm gonna send, what I'm not gonna send, and all that other stuff. I've also been told from both grading companies that that is how they do it. By grading your coins in a room where that lamp is gonna be your only source of light, and tell us in the comments if it made a difference. Again, this is Chris Tisdale with Cointable. Thank you very much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you love what I'm doing, turn on post notifications. Thanks, guys.